shipping 20 packages. Today is December 17th, 2019. Today is our second snowstorm since we've been here. I'm excited because it's a lot of snow. It's a lot. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's like a good size, right? Like huge, and it's like ice. I know it's a. Oh my gosh! I want you to see. Look it up, honey. I don't know if you can really see it, but here I'll spin myself around. White. Beautiful. I always say it's beautiful, but it's pretty cold as well. Very pretty and very pretty and pretty cold. Look at this. Okay, I'm inside the car and it's like dark because it's covered with the snowflakes. Waiting for boss and Andy. Oh, it's cold. It's really cold. Here, can you see this? This is why I love snow, guys. I love cold too. Sometimes it's a good change. But if you have to live here for many, many years, you feel like, what you might call it, snowbound. And you just feel dark and gray and gloomy all the time. Look at this window. So every morning during winter, we always have to like get up and have to scrape the ice. I said the ice. Off the car, you know, and let the car heat up a little bit. Your hands are cold, your feet, hand, and your butt, and I just said butt, I'm sorry. Yeah, every part of your body is just cold. Imagine if you're getting older, cold to your bones and joints, you know. So anyway, they're here. Hi, boss.
Hi.
What did you just say again?
So we gotta go sledding again.
No, have to get the snow off, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because it just tell you, oh my gosh, you got it right on my jacket. It's like an ice. This is like frozen ice. Yummy. It's like 冰水. No. It's like the chip ice. You just have to put condensed milk. Oh, I'm crazy. I'm talking about food again. Alright, never mind. Look at this thing. It's like frozen. Look, I press it up. But it's going very slow. Like, oh, stuck. Got stuck. Stuck. It won't go up the window. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Oh, this is all out. What happened here?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Up. Caught on cam. Oh my gosh. Frozen, honey. Look at this. Okay.
Here, do me a favor. Come here.
Yes?
Here, you gotta pull this button while I pull.
Alright. Okay, let me... Okay.
Careful.
Okay. I'm pressing it. Teamwork. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Go. Okay, you're almost there. Got it. Yay! Okay, I won't touch it anymore. Sorry. I didn't do it. Snowed it. Welcome to New England lifestyle during the winter. Look at this. Boss is scraping snow off the windshield. It's always like this. Whoa! That's a lot. Good job, honey! See? It's coming down more too. There. Good. What kind of dumpling, honey? Guac? You know what you call this dish?
Mapo tofu.
But you in America.
Yes, it's still mapo tofu.
Because you miss the Chinese food, right?
Oh my god. You have no idea.
All right, we home. I'm home. I sent boss to the post office. Just so many things that we want to do while we're here, while we're home. Just so many things that we want to do, and we just want to try to get as many things that we can get done, as many as possible. Of course, there's a lot of things that we miss about being here, and things that we don't have in Asia, and things that we have here. Homesick, yes, and 37 seconds. So I don't feel well today, and this is what I miss. Ta-da! Tylenol. And it's time to get a new color of my nail polish. So just me here at home, still working. Look at my treasure, guys. What color? Purple. I love purple. I always do purple. This is neutral, like pink. I like hot pink too. Light pale purple, maybe. I don't know. Ooh, this hot purple. All right, let's see. What do you think? What do you think the color should be? Blue. I have blue. Okay, let's see if you can guess it right. Okay. I have the color that I want, but who knows, I might change my mind later. I'm still trying to figure out what color. Nail base coat. And this. It could be quite a job picking and choosing the color, you know. Ta-da! Got my colors. Look, I have hot purple. I would say hot purple. It's not quite hot pink. Hot pink is more like fuchsia, right, guys? I'm not sure. You can tell me. I think this is hot purple with blue. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Here we go. You can see the color. I got it. Anyhow, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like it, like and subscribe, and welcome to Lucygold BJC Beautiful Jewelry Club Center, and peace. Okay guys, Lucygold cannot be completed without free giveaway, right, and hot deals. So this is what you guys have to do. Click like, subscribe, and you know, the notification bell. So also spread the love. You need to share, honey. Spread the love. Then comment the code down below, like in the comment box. Every video I would give you code to claim. I would give one free giveaway, and I would give like hot crazy deals. Okay guys, every video. So after I post it after I post the video, after the video is being posted, you have 24 hours to claim. The first one who put a comment with the code, you get free giveaway, and then 5 comments down you get hot deals. Sounds good? Yes. Like, subscribe, notification bell, and spread the love. You have to share and comment down below in the comment box with the code. Okay guys, so are we ready for this? Okay guys, now remember, like, subscribe, bell, notification bell, share, comment the code. Okay, the code is the first person who claim the first name that do all that, you get this one for free. So the code is love/e/free. One person only. This made out of brass with the heart texture. Camera, beautiful and real crystal. So this is brass hoops, 14K gold plating with hard texture brass and real crystal. Okay guys, the first person, so you can get to have this for free. The code is heart/e/free. Good luck guys. Now the 5 names after the one who, you know, claimed the free ones. 5 names, you can get this hot deal. So please type heart/e/5. okay, $5, only $5. Again, the code heart/e/5. This is awesome guys, you're gonna love this. Brass, again, 14K gold plating, brass casting piece and real crystal. You guys gonna love this. Shipping $5.95 and we will be shipping from Taiwan. Okay, so good luck guys. Promise every video I'm gonna have free giveaway and hot crazy deals like this. Love to all. Thank you so much to all my BJC sisters and my staff. I love you guys. Now just a reminder, okay guys, you only have 24 hours to claim your free giveaway or your hot crazy deals. You only have 24 hours after the video is being posted. Okay, so something like this, people retail them from like the cheapest maybe $15 up to $45. Hot crazy deals you can have for $5, but shipping is $5.95. Great deals. All right guys, so good luck, and I'll see you guys very soon.